Here's a Paul Frederick's yachting jacket. It's 100% cotton, 2-button front, open patch pockets all around. The nice colorful ribbing around the lapels. Look here, this is not bright white, we maybe call it cream, and double rear vent. Okay, inside here's your label. You see it's cotton. It's a 42 long. I don't know if it's been altered. We did have it cleaned with Paul Frederick. It's got sweat guards, full white satin line. And over here, we see it's like a cut-in with hand stitching. Nothing in there. And just a great jacket to wear on your yacht.